to birds. Although they are also the masters of land and sea, no other groups of animals could venture so high in the air, nest in all advances, and bite such great depths to nurture the water. Images of birds and flying soaring through the skies signifies freedom and hope. But flying is not the only skill we know. So, join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Let us all welcome our flag racing bird, Chaco. Chaco is our Moluccan cockatoo. Scientific name, Kakatuwang boysensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Very well, the show has officially started. A round of applause for Chaco featuring Mark. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Mikey. So here's an object that I will hide under one of the streets of the class. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. Now, let's go with our psychic bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our silver-crested cockatoo. Scientific name, Kakatuwa benedicta. They inhabit in open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They begin to the seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love burn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it yes, then say you can do it, Dazzle.
You can do it,
Go,
Dazzle.
And he did it! A round of applause for Dazzle. We trainer April. Now for next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will assess in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of ring mahong. And today, they will battle out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer boys, Sassy. Come on girls, from you say, Sassy, Sassy.
Sassy, sassy,
And for the boys, let's cheer for Rocky, Rocky, Rocky.
Rocky, Rocky.
Okay, birds ready, cheers ready, set, go. Here comes Rocky's first ball. Another one from Rocky. First ball for Sassy. And for the last ball, Rocky wins. So Trainer Rochelle, what can you see? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, they want another race, Jerry.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about our ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
So the ring race shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's show louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time more ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocky on his first ring. Another one. Oh, hey, what's happening? Sassy pick up the 2 rings on the same time. And the winner is Sassy. So, Trainer Jerry, what can you see? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you cheated?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so true. That girls are more intelligent than boys. A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky, with Trainer Michelle and Trainer Jared. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills not to get bored. Here's Sassy Arvinin Mako. She's going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the sheep back to its compressed log. Just like Sassy, Great Wing Mako is from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along their river banks. Come on, Sassy. And for the last shapes, there you go, intelligent right. A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Shop.
Counting sheep when you're trying to
Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. Do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing two numbers between 1 to 50. Any numbers between 1 to 50? Okay, so the first number will be number 10. How about the second number? Okay, so the second number will be is number 7. So the equation is 10 plus 7. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve the equation. But first, Trainer JV will shuffle the numbers.
how much postage to use when you know what's the chance it will snow when you
And now let's get in a hybrid Mako Rocky. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful entrance. So Trainer JV is all ready? Okay, go ahead and solve the equation for us.
we all shout hurrah as he confirms what their
And Rocky gets the first number correct.
some enlarging
Off to the second number. Well, Rocky loves numbers.
even time to a
Come on, Rocky, you can do it.
while you're singing along harmonize with the rest of the guys.
And Rocky gets a number 7. So that was 7 equals to 17. Put your hands together for hybrid Mako Rocky with Trainer JV. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be the lucky volunteer for today, just raise your hand and Marshall Trainer will choose one. Come on guys, don't be shy, just raise your hands up. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Okay, I think we got one. Come here, ma'am. Join me here on stage. You will notice the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. And they can remember even the smallest details. Come here, ma'am. Join me here on stage. Good afternoon, ma'am. What's your name? Sherbet. How about a round of applause for our lucky guest, Mr. Sherbet? Okay, ma'am. Please follow me. Okay, ma'am. Can I have the 500 peso bill? Stand right here, facing this way. Extend your left arm, just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Now, ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? Any idea? Well, now let's call on the money bird body. Body's over, Malukan Bracket 2. And body prize over. And he gets the money in a prize back. And big body will then take the money. I want a fire banner. Ma'am, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No, well, now you know your money will go a long, long way. We are very, very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? 1,000 pesos din naman? Wala na? Ma'am Charlotte, excuse me. Are you okay? Are you sure? Then why you look so sad? Ma'am, please come back here. We're just kidding. It's a part of the show. Ma'am, it's just part of the show. Come here, ma'am. Ma'am, Buddy saying something. Before Buddy gives your money, Buddy wants to give you a kiss. It is okay, ma'am? All you have to do is stand right here, face the camera, and offer your cheek. Look at the camera and smile. How about on your hand? Just open your palm and look at the camera and smile. And now, ma'am, there is your money. Again, a round of applause for our lucky guest. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you've met our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here at Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey are also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. So here is an example of their amazing flying ability. Meet our Philippine Eagle on Here Comes Rock! Scientific name is Bubutulapensis. These birds can be found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and possibly in Cebu. And let's all welcome our Brahminic Guide, Here Comes Speed! Brahminic Guide, scientifically known as Heliastor indus, one of the 440 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. And here goes Shadow! We are locally known as Lawin or Badok in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeon as well. Homing pigeon has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. How about a round of applause for our Brahminic kites and our homing pigeons? Here at Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but for also who are in land and air as well. Now, who knows the 3 R's? Introduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So once again, here's Buddy to show us the proper waste disposal. See, if our lovely can do it, we believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let's do all our part in saving the world, because remember, this is the only home we've got. So let me present the birds and trainers that made the show possible. Trainer April with Buddy. Trainer Shell with Shadow. And Trainer Mark with Speed. Once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye. And by the way, guys, please come in your seat because we'll have yellow line. And happy birthday to John Maynard Bautista. Happy birthday!